Hi, and welcome to week 8. Continue to keep up the great momentum. You're doing a fantastic job. Love the engagement in the classroom, the synergy that you are all bringing to the discussion forums. Couple of things. This week, you need to trigger attendance if you have not already done so by Thursday at 11:55 p.m. Continue to communicate as things come up. Especially if you're unable to attend due to illness during this pandemic. Keep in mind that if you do not communicate, I do not know what's going on with you and I'm unable to help. Continue to keep in contact with all your other instructors as well. Next week will be Thanksgiving break. During that time, I'm going to allow an amnesty, which means you are able to make up any missing assignments outside of the discussion forums. Once the discussion forum closes for the week, you are unable to make them up. What assignments am I talking about? I'm talking about the assignments that you may have had in Connect, assignments that you would have uploaded in the Dropbox, your midterm exam. This is an opportunity for you to be able to resubmit those assignments to get credit. It's a great opportunity to do so. Keep in mind that any missing assignments outside of Thanksgiving break will not be able to be made up after that. Continue to keep pushing forward. Reach out to me via email, via text, or even pick up the phone and give me a telephone call. 937-830-5248. That number is also located in the instructors page, as well as you may be able to find that in your announcements. Again, continue to keep up the good work. Looking forward to you pushing to good success this quarter. Thank you and have a wonderful week.